Did you want to grab food or did you just want to go dirt biking?
I don't care. I got a lunch bowl. I can get held over.
Okay, fine. Let's go dirt biking.
What?
Dirt biking. Let's do it.
Alright.
Yay, yay. It's a lot better standing up. My knee freaking hurts. Okay, for those of you who don't know, son of a. Okay, I'm sitting back in my chair. I say screw it. I don't care if I look foolish. For those of you who do not know, I crashed my bike the other day. Fucked up my knee. Yeah, good. Give me just a second though. What?
What the fuck is that?
What do you mean?
Look at all the construction workers.
I don't know.
Check it out.
Yeah. So yeah, it just rained a couple days ago, so everything's really muddy and terrible dirt biking conditions. I mean, unless you want to go mudding with dirt bikes, which is really not a good idea at all. What in the actual hell?
What the fuck? They replaced all this nature and trails and shit with dust and Starbucks cans. We gotta get rid of them.
God, how?
Nathaniel? It's only gonna be a matter of time before they notice us first.
I'll make them notice us. Hey, Tyler, you want to check out and see if our ramp over there is still there? Is there a trail past this? Like, can we go through this and get to another trail? Or did they block off our trail? Is there a trail past this? Like, this is just a straight through thing. Can we get past it and then go to another trail past it? I don't know. Anyone. Is there, like, right there's the trail.
That was a trail. It's not anymore.
What the fuck?
We'll come back.
Mm-hmm.
Well, what now?
I don't know. Check and see other areas.
Well, fuck.
Were you not in first gear? Uh-oh. I can't walk. Ugh. You ready? Go for it. Oh, your wheel just slides.
Yup.
No!
You don't have a battery either, do you?
No. But
Yeah, you got that though.
Bike started again. It's been about 15-20 minutes. We had to push him up the hill into a higher area. And we pushed him down the hill, started him up, and then rode back up here. Alrighty. Oh. I love this dip here. It's kind of fun. Oh, please kickstart. Please, 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 please kickstart. Of course it kickstarts! What the hell? The fuck? That was a nice one.